Hey guys, so this is my 2019 MK4 Ford Focus. It's a titanium spec. This car came with Halogen Reflector headlights and I want to upgrade them to LEDs. So I've been looking into this. I found that the upgraded static LEDs and the dynamic LEDs, you can't retrofit them into this model because it doesn't have the body control modules or the electronics, and it's a general pain in the arse. So what I found out though is that since late 2019, early 2020, Ford have now come out with an LED reflector headlight, which is plug and play, and you can basically just take out the old reflector headlight with the halogen bulb and install the LED reflector headlight. So what I've done is I've gone and bought a set from eBay, and I'm hoping to retrofit them into this car. So I have a set of reflector LED headlights that I got on eBay from a scrapyard for €120, including shipping from the UK, which is great because Ford are charging, I think it's about 160 to 120, or sorry, 160 to 200 euro for new headlights. And slight problem with these though is that the tabs, as you can see there, tab is missing and that tab is broken. It's still on, but it's floppy. So I'm going to try and repair them with plastic welding and some mesh reinforcement. It's the same on the other headlight as well. These ones are right hand drive, and there's the part number there. As you can see, these are reflector LEDs. There's an LED that shines down, just about see it there. Into the reflector housing, and that's how they work. So I'm gonna test fit these and see if I can make sure they work. Plug and play. I'll have to get some extra bulbs. It doesn't come up with H1 high beam or any indicator bulbs. I'll just take them out of the existing headlights. So hopefully that will do the job.